Through a call to 911 or 112, a rescue service by means of a drone or several will be launched. This allows both rescues at sea and in high mountain areas. While the terrestrial devices arrive, the drone can locate and deliver a team of survival and communication with the victim or victims until the arrival of the human rescue personnel, which increases the chances of successful rescues. Our surveillance and counter-surveillance system is currently applied in theater festivals, international music festivals, cinematographic producers such as HBO, How to Play Thrones, etc., railway lines, tension lines, rescue and help in various media, protection and private security. How do we detect drones? There are several parameterized systems. Each of them has characteristics of scope, safety, type of drones and precision. With an exclusive study of the needs of each client, we ensure the installation and an effective system. Audio. All drones produce noise with their flight system. Our systems detect them over long distances. Radio frequency. The communication is by radio frequency. This communication can be detected. Optical scanner. By scanning real-time images, the drone is detected and identified. Thermography. The flight system or engine of a drone generates heat, which is identifiable by thermographic devices. Radar. High-resolution radars with solid-state transmission technology detect the drone several kilometers in advance. Localization. Management of the information of origin, distance, altitude, speed and type of drone. These data assure us to locate the drone effectively. Neutralization. Once the drone is detected, we proceed to neutralize it. We have a limited time since the approach speed can be around 100 km/h. We must act with little margin and only an optimal and effective system like ours can achieve it. Objectives of the Zations Group. Establish the needs of our present and future customers as the main priority. To ensure that the services provided by the group are at the highest level and far surpass that the client expects us. To have the highest bar in terms of quality of our services, ensuring the highest quality of them. Have the most highly qualified professionals in the sector and evolve at the same time in the processes of continuous improvement. Provide our professionals with suitable training in such a way that it exceeds the standards of the sector. That technology is an endless source of our services.